is my mother, Susie Abraham, and here I am today. Came to get my visa to Kerala Nightingale agency, which is for student visa to Canada. And I think all the members in this family, that is Kerala Nightingale agency, was very good, approachable, and was helping us out throughout this all the papers which we were working out. And I think they were not taking too much time, and the process were very fast, and they were updating me each and everything. So if anybody interested who wanted to go out abroad, that is in Canada, as a student visa, and then you can, after getting the training for RN, then you can settle over there. So I think anybody interested can come back to this agency, and they will change your life as a whole. So thank you, Kerala.
ഞങ്ങൾ മുംബൈയിലായിരുന്നു. ഈ ഏജൻസി മുഖാന്തരമാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നാട്ടിൽ വരാൻ സാധിച്ചത്. അബ്രോഡിൽ പോകണമെന്നുള്ള ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഈ ഏജൻസി മുഖാന്തരം അത് സാധിച്ചു ഇപ്പോൾ പറയുന്നു. വിസ കൈ കിട്ടി, സന്തോഷം.